Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss the problem 4 of the moment of forces. This problem says that if the three forces B, Q, R act along the sides BC, AC, BA of a equilateral triangle ABC. Suppose the resultant is a force parallel to BC. Suppose the resultant is a force parallel to BC and which passes through the centroid of the triangle. Suppose the resultant of the three forces B, Q, R which is parallel to BC and which passes through the centroid of the triangle ABC. Then we have to prove that Q and R equal to 1 by 2 times B. Q and R equal to 1 by 2 times B. How to prove? Here the triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Therefore the altitude A dash and another altitude or the median B dash and another median C dash which meet at some point G. Here G is called the centroid of the triangle. Therefore G is called the centroid of the triangle. So, okay. Now, because therefore the resultant of the three forces B, Q, R which is parallel to BC and which is passing through the centroid G of the triangle ABC. Therefore the resultant of the three forces passing through G and which is parallel to BC. And this is therefore we take TG and E. TGE is the line of action of the resultant of the three forces B, Q, R. The line of TGE is the line of action of the resultant of the three forces B, Q, R. Because the resultant passes through G, therefore the resultant of the moment of the resultant, therefore moment of the resultant about the point G is equal to the moment of the resultant about the point G, but the resultant passes through G, that is equal to 0. But what is the moment of the three forces B, Q and R about the point G? Because the resultant is TG, the line of action of the resultant is TGE. Now the moment of the first force B about G, that is the algebraic sum, and the moment of the second force Q, the moment of the second force Q about the point G, and the moment of R about G is equal to the moment of the resultant, about the point G. But we already shown that the moment of the resultant about G equal to 0. Therefore, the right hand side is equal to 0. But what is the moment of B about G? The moment of the first force B about G equal to B into G A dash. B into G A dash. Therefore, this implies that B into the moment of force about G equal to B into G A dash. B into G A dash plus, and the moment of the force Q, about the point G is equal to, here the moment is tends to rotate or turn the particle in anti-clockwise direction, but the moment Q about G is rotate or turn about the clockwise direction. Therefore, the moment of Q about G is a negative. Therefore, this is equal to minus Q into what is the perpendicular distance? GB dash. Therefore, GB dash plus, and here the moment of the third force R about G is equal to again negative, because it tends to rotate the particle in clockwise direction. Therefore, the moment of R about G is negative. Therefore, R into what is the perpendicular distance from R to G? That is G C dash. But here this is equal to the moment of the resultant about G. What is the moment of the resultant about G? This is equal to 0. And therefore this implies that B minus Q, minus R, that is equal to 0, because the triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, GA dash and GB dash and GC dash are all equal. Also note that the resultant passes through E also, because the resultant passes through E also. Now we are going to find the moment of the three forces and the resultant about the point E. So we take, so we draw the line, so we draw the line, so we draw the line, so we draw the line EL dash, EL, which is perpendicular to BC, which is perpendicular to BC, and EM, which is perpendicular to AB. EM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, that is the perpendicular distance from E which meet at AB is M. Which meet at AB is M. Now we find the moment of, then we find the moment of, then what is the moment of E about, what is the resultant of the moment about E, what is the resultant of the moment of, then what is the moment of resultant about the point E, because the resultant passes through E, therefore the moment of the resultant about the point is also equal to 0. And then what is the moment of, B about the point E, and the moment of Q about the point E, and the moment of R about the point E is equal to the moment of the result about the same point E, about the same point E. What is the moment of B about E? That is equal to B into, that is equal to, what is the moment of B about the point E? That is B into, what is the perpendicular distance? EL. What is the perpendicular distance? That is equal to EL. Okay, and and the moment B, the moment of B about E is tan in the anti-clockwise direction, therefore the moment of B is the positive moment. And what is the moment of Q about E? What is the moment of Q about E? Because the Q passes through the point E, therefore this is equal to 0. Therefore plus 0. And what is the moment of, then what is the moment of R about the point E? The force, the moment R rotate the system in clockwise direction, or turn the system in the clockwise direction. Therefore the moment of R about E is a negative. Therefore minus R into, what is the perpendicular distance from you? E to R, the result R, that is EM, that is EM. But the moment of the resultant about E equal to 0, therefore this is equal to 0. Therefore this is equal to 0. Okay. Now from the triangle, the triangle ELC, the triangle ELC and AA dash R, the triangle ELC and AA dash E are similar triangle. Therefore we get that EL, divided by AA dash is equal to EC divided by AC. This is equal to 1 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 3 because TGE is parallel to BC TG is parallel to BC. Therefore, AD divided by DB is equal to AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC, and AG divided by, that is equal to AG divided by GA dash, that is equal to 2 by 1. Okay, therefore from this we get that EC is equal to 1 by 3 times, therefore this is equal to EC equal to 1 by 3 times A dash, 1 by 3 times A dash. Okay, and take this equation as equation number 2, and take this equation as equation number 3. Okay, we take this equation as equation number 3, and also the triangle AME and AME and ACC are similar triangle. Therefore we get that EM divided by CC dash equal to AE divided by AC, but this is equal to 2 by 3. This is equal to, that is AE divided by AC is equal to, but AC equal to 3 and AE equal to 2, therefore 2 by 3. Therefore this is equal to 2 by 3. From this we get that EM equal to 2 by 3 times CC dash. Now take this equation as equation number 4. Now substitute equation number 3 and equation number 4 in equation number 2. We get that D into 1 by 3 A dash minus R into 2 by 3 C dash equal to 0. We get that B into 1 by 3 A dash minus R into 2 by 3 C dash equal to 0. Now A dash and C dash are equal. Therefore we get that V equal to 2 times R. Otherwise we take this as R equal to B by 2. Now substitute R equal to B by 2 in equation number 1. We get that in equation number 1 we get that B minus Q minus B by 2 equal to 0. On simplification we get B by 2 minus Q equal to 0, that is B by 2 equal to Q. Therefore from equation number 5 and 6 we conclude that R and Q equal to B by 2. Okay, thank you.